Hey everyone, welcome to dubventures. It is early, but we're up early because we've got a busy day today. The first thing that we're going to do is, well, Brooke needs to go to McDonald's to get a coffee because it's so early, and we'll go and get an upgrade on our diesel heater, so let's go. So guys, we're actually going over to AJC, so let's go and get this control panel on the heater changed.
Too early.
It's not too early, Brandon. Here's Brandon, guys, and there's the controller. So
it's quite simple. There's your sensor,
right,
and it just plugs into the controller.
So when you get a Webasto heater fitted, I'm assuming it like comes with all these with the option that you can actually like upgrade to like different panels.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just got the same plug for them all, and then like I said, you always have your sensor on, which that basically powers from your heater to your controller, so it knows the temperatures, and then that's just your main loom. Goes straight to your heater and plugs in any Webasto controller.
There you go. This is Dax.
Have you seen the size of that mattress? It looks awesome. I just can't wait to get a step fitted so that I can actually get on it and not fall off like last time.
And here's Brandon again. You okay?
Good, thank you. Not too bad.
You love being on camera. I am going to do a review on this at some point, but that's just a simple turn it on and I'm going to leave it running because now we're going looking at our new house. More on that in a minute. Thank you again, Brandon. Now we are coming back in probably about 4 weeks-ish because we're getting a big job done. I know we keep saying it, but we are getting a big job done. It's a YouTube secret, Brandon, do you know what I mean? You don't tell them everything we're getting done. So we are getting something done, and then when we've had that done, we are going to be looking at, like I said, a bulkhead type of thing. You know, we are going to attempt
Tom's
doing
going to
that.
actually build himself. Tom's building himself.
That means you possibly could actually
Looking forward to that.
And then we're going to be getting a kitchen unit done. That's the next thing. So, but yeah, thank you very much to Brandon. AJC, put a link in the description. Give him a call. Any campervan needs anything like that, give this guy a call.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's just my voice.
Thank you, Brandon and the team at AJC. Again, we always say it, we can't recommend these guys enough. They spend so much time with us and they help us out so much. So, like I said, we are booked in about 4 weeks and we are getting like the next step done with the campervan conversion.
Excited!
Right, mentioned it before.
Let's go look at the house!
We're going looking at the house before we get the keys. So, let's go. We'll show you where we're up to. We are going to do a full house tour, but if you've seen the other video that we did when we came having a look, we'll show you first of all. Check our kitchen out. Are you pleased with your kitchen? Brooke actually designed this kitchen, so are you pleased with it?
Yes.
So I was like, I want to get in the back garden, but yeah. There is going to be a full house tour coming soon.
We got soaked.
Mel's just got a soak coming in here. Oh, buzzing, aren't we? Absolutely buzzing. What we need to do now is use our campervan for something else. Let's go. Today, the campervan is a removal van. That's the van loaded. Now, that's just the things that we've got for the temporary accommodation that we've been staying in. Got a lot more things that we need to get from our storage place, so
basically our camper van has also been a removal van today.
it has. Right, the next time you see us, it's going to be moving day. It's a few days later. We're moving. We're here. Lots and lots to do. Let's have a quick first look as we come in. Things everywhere. Got a lot to do, so let's get the van unloaded. Kitchen looks like a storeroom at the moment, doesn't it? Mm-hmm. And it's snowing. Look at that, it's actually snowing outside. crazy.
Because it feels like Christmas.
Well, yeah, in April. Crazy. I need something to eat. We don't actually have anything to eat, but I've got some Y-food bars. So we haven't actually been shopping yet because it's our first day here, and Brooke's actually going to work now. We've been moving all day and we've still got all our items in storage. I'm hungry, but we've got these Y-food bars. Now these Y-food bars are like a meal replacement bar. They're healthy, they're nutritious, they've got 25 vitamins and minerals in them, and they're gluten free. And they're ideal as a healthy snack, and they're not full of sugar or anything. And do you know what? They taste really good as well. I'm going to put a link in the description if you're interested in these. Now I am actually a qualified nutritionist if you didn't know. As part of a healthy diet, I really do recommend these. I'm going to put a link in the description for you, and if you put our code dubventures10 in as well, you'll get a 10% discount on them. Right, Brooke's gone to work and it's me and Thorn now. Now here's the thing, this is the first day that we've moved in here and everything is in storage, all our furniture, you know, and all our different things that we have for the house. And we can't get that until after the weekend. Now, this is where the good thing about having some camping equipment is, because I've got a little table and chairs set up here so that I can have food and things. Yes. What's that? What's that? I've got a lot of things that I need to sort out, so guys, short and sweet video today. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Got lots coming. We are going to do a house tour, a bit of a house update, and we have got some campervan travel coming up now as well, because now that we've actually moved in, we can actually have access to the van more. You might be thinking, access to the van? I'll tell you more about that in an upcoming video. So until the next one, bye for now.